Hey guys, I'm Shantae from NaturalVeganMama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, today I'm going to show you 3 steps to help you knock out going vegan this year. Well, last year I brought you the 3 reasons why you should go vegan. Today I'm going to bring you the 3 top steps to going vegan this year. So the first step is decide. Decide why you want to go vegan, what's your big why, and decide to pick a date. So you want to pick a date sometime in the future, give yourself a couple of weeks or a few days. Definitely pace yourself and think about when's a good time for you to go vegan and decide to go vegan and set that date. The number 2 step to going vegan this year is you're going to think about your transition style. So what is your transition style going to be? Are you going to do it overnight? Are you going to throw away all of those products that you have in your refrigerator and then go out the next day and buy a whole bunch of vegan products? Or are you going to slowly transition? Which I'll just tell you a little bit of a secret, that is the best way to do it slowly because they have a lot of evidence to prove and a lot of research has been done with any kind of habit or any type of new endeavor that you're trying to go on, whether it be fitness, health, or diet, any kind of lifestyle change, doing a gradual, slow transition into that lifestyle is what will really make it stick and really be easy for you to commit to. So the number 3 step to going vegan this year is to assess your kitchen. That's the number 1 thing that people think about. What am I going to eat? You'll be surprised how many vegan products and plant-based products you already have in your refrigerator. So go and assess. Go in there with your pen and pad, or if you're digital like I am, go in there with your phone, open up your notes, and take an inventory of the things that you have and say, wow, there's so many things that I have in my kitchen that I can be eating right now that's already plant-based and vegan. And then there's some things in my kitchen that I need to start phasing out. And once those products are gone, I'm not going to replace them with the same product. I'm going to replace them with a plant-based vegan option. So guys, those are my 3 top steps to going vegan this year. Those will get you off to a great start. If you want more information about going vegan, check the description box below. I'm more than happy to help you out every step of the way.